Hello, and welcome to day 3, Wednesday, February 10th. This is our third day in level 6. Today is also an asynchronous day. That means we will not meet together on Zoom. You will do your assignments independently. Let's see what you have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click Async. You have one activity in Async for today. It is Information Scavenger Hunt. Always remember to read everything before you begin. All right? But I'll read it out loud for you today. Also, read it again after I finish reading it. Now that you have spent 2 days in class, what are some things you remember that I explained? You are going to go on a scavenger hunt to find the answers. What is a scavenger hunt? It is an activity where you are given questions or riddles, jokes, you have to search for the information. In this case, you will get some questions and look back at the introduction slide. This is the slide I gave to you guys the first day of class. So it's in several places. Some of these answers, you actually have to go to the main page of our class to find them. So you're going to look for the information you might remember from your head. That is great. And you will write down the answers in the comment box. So you will put number 1, answer, number 2, answer, number 3, answer, number 4, answer, number 5, answer, and that's it. Just 5 questions. And when you're done, you click post, but you have to answer the questions, right? You can't just put 1 through 5 and leave the rest blank. You have to find the answer to number 1, find the answer to number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5, and type them in the box and click post. Okay? And that's all you have to do. If you have any questions, remember, I am available by text through Remind or text through my number. And that's it for your Wednesday, your first asynchronous independent day. I will see you all tomorrow. Good luck.